Okay, you guys, let's start this video. It's gonna be a long video. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna connect my mini press, and this is just a heat press, so it's gonna just light up. I'm gonna show you really quick how. Let me get my extension cord. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it into my extension cord. You can plug it into your outlet. Let's see if that worked. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my Amazon storefront. You're gonna press it 3 times. Once it turns green, it is ready for action. I'm telling you, if you need one, you need to get the little one first, because the big one, you need space for it, you need room for it, you have nowhere to put it. This little one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So these bags are just regular burlap bags. I don't recommend the ones at the dollar store. I will post these on my Amazon storefront. I think these are way better. Like, they're more durable. Let me get a bag. I just use random grocery bags to put my garbage in, and I put it next to me so it's easier. I have my coffee ready because, you know, guys, I need my coffee all the time. So these are just, look at, I'm going to show you really quick. These bags are going to be for the teachers, and these are just going to be for Valentine's. I'm just going to put their gifts inside of them. And I thought, why not make a bag? I'm like, why not make a bag for them? Something like with their name on it. And I saw those bags, and I'm like, I fell in love right away. So let me just, I have the names, but I'm not sure where I put them. I'm still waiting for my machine to beep, so let me go look for the names. Okay, so it beeped already, and once it beeps, it turns green. Very easy. If you want less heat, if you're doing ribbon, just press it 1 time or 2. It has this little stand. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this real quick. So the first teacher, isn't that cool? So it's Mr. Payne. Now I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab my parchment paper and my parchment paper. You know, I would be more organized if I had my own DIY room. You guys who have one are super lucky. I'm gonna add a parchment paper in the inside just for safety purposes. I'm gonna, of course, show it my way towards me, because I want to make sure I get it right, you know. And then I have a parchment paper for the top. This is also on my Amazon storefront. You're gonna order a big roll, and then you're gonna cut them down and customize it to however you want it. So you're gonna put the writing, I think right there is fine, right in the middle. Not too high, not too much towards the bottom. And I'm gonna heat press this. So I'm just pressing on it really hard. And I'm gonna see how it actually holds up. If it does lift, I'm gonna go ahead and press it again. I just wanna see how it holds up. And right now I'm telling you, that's not bad. Don't do it on the Dollar Tree bags. I did it, well, maybe I did it too hard or something, but it like stuck. I had to throw it out. So it kind of looks good. I'm gonna see right now. It actually worked out. Look at that. So that's his teacher, Mr. Payne. How cool is that? So because I really want it to stick, I'm gonna put the parchment paper again, and I'm just gonna give it a good press. Lift that. Pull this out. Make sure. Let that dry. Bring the next one. And so Antonio has a male teacher this year. It's the first one. I never had a male teacher in the school. And Manny has a girl teacher. So that's cool. It gives me, like, it refreshes my mind for new ideas, because, you know, I do a lot of pinks, and like for Christmas I did his basket in blue. I'm looking for, you know, more cool stuff, because I know guys, they like their cars and they like to put gas. Like, I'm gonna start doing that for him. Okay, so Manny got it, Miss McKimby, and Antonio got her, I think, last year, and she was amazing. So I'm happy that Manny got her as well, because she already knows the boys, and it's just an easy transaction from one teacher to the next. So I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'm doing this hard. Don't think I'm doing this lightly. I'm gonna turn it around. And the reason I'm doing it hard is because it's burlap. Burlap is a very hard material. Can you hear that? It's scratchy, and you need to do it hard. I'm sorry. Put your arm muscle into it. And how cool is that? Like, I'm just gonna make sure I seat it in. Believe me, that helps. A lot of people are like, why do you do that last step? Trust me, I've been around the block. LOL. And I already know. How cool are that? Now you have 2 bags that are personalized for the teachers. Not only are they personalized, you can reuse these bags, honey. Look how much you can add in here. I didn't get a thin little bag, because usually the bags are like this thin, like that. I got a nice little thick bag. So if the teacher wants to add something on there, carry something on there, she can. How cool is the bag? You can put pencils, markers. Sometimes she has a Lego. She does the aftercare Legos club. She could throw Legos in there. And Mr. Payne, he always has something. His coffee mug, throw it in there. Let's go. They're reusable. They're going to be on my Amazon storefront. I think this is cute. If you guys are making custom bags, try this out. This bag is a great size. Let me tell you. Look at it. You can add chocolates in there. You can add a bag of candy. I'm going to use these for Valentine's. But what do you guys think? Great, custom, easy teacher bags. And that the name is not going to peel. It's going in there. I pressed it again. When I press it again at the end, I set it. So it's good to go. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving them. But I got to move on to the next video. And until next time, bye you guys.